Namaskar. Hello everybody. I Anuradha Sarkar welcome you to Rai Boutique. Today I'm going to show you some beautifully Bhagalpuri and Chhattisgarh tasar. This is winter season and we like to dress up with tasars and silk and all heavy saris. So let's begin with sari number 1. If you like my video, please do not forget to share, subscribe and please press the bell icon. Let's go with sari number 1. Once more, I wish you a very happy new year. Let 2025 bring all the happiness that you deserve and all be healthy. Please, all of you remain healthy and happy. Sari number 1. This is a Bhagalpuri Zari Tasar. Just have a look. Zari Tasar. And the price is 5,500. There is tasar and a weaving of zari going side by side. Just have a look. It's so beautiful sari. It gives a very beautiful shine. We have got two types of selling. One is online selling, that is 9831436940, and one is offline selling, that is 14 by 36 Golf Club Road, Kolkata 33 near Taligarh Metro Station. And this is the blouse piece. Wear gold jewelry with it. Gold will go very well with it. These saris are very much in fashion and always they remain in fashion. This type of saris I'm showing you for quite a long time, different colors and in different colors. I'm showing you this type of saris in my different videos. You might have seen it. This is the pallu and this is the sari. It's a very beautiful sari. This type of sari that I am wearing, I myself is wearing. This is also the same type of sari, 5,500. I'll let you know the sari number afterwards. Sari number 2, another Bhagalpuri silk, 7,200. Just have a look. These are all new collection. All are new collections. যারা বিয়ের কেনাকাটা করছো তারাও এইসব শাড়ি দেখতে পারো. This is the pallu. This is the pallu and this is the sari. It's very beautiful. Just have a look. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Blouse piece in deeper shade. It's so beautiful. The matching is so beautiful. This is the look of the sari. Wear gold jewelry with it, gold. That will look very nice with this sari. Sari number 3, 7,800. Just see the fold of the sari. It's so very, these tasars are so very good. Chhattisgarh tasar. Just have a look. Simple and beautiful sari. Any corporate party, you can wear this sari. You can wear this sari to any wedding function, whether it's light function or morning function or night function, any time you can wear them. You can wear them to any places, any get together. Winter is a season of marriages and events. Lots of events goes around in winter. This is the blouse piece. I love Chhattisgarh Tasar. They are really very, very nice. Just have a look at this sari. This is the look of the sari. If you want to do some embroidery in the blouse, that is also available over here. Anybody who wants to stitch their clothes, they can come to Rai Boutique. We have got a tailoring unit where we do all the stitchings. You can also bring your material from outside. That will also, we also stitch those clothes. Sari number 4. This is the pallu. Just have a look. So beautiful. Color, look at the color. Such a beautiful color. And these booties are also very beautiful. These are all hand woven saris. Please remember, these are all hand woven saris. I really prefer hand woven saris. And this is the blouse piece. What is the price of this sari? Where is the price? Just let me see the price of the sari. $9,000. The price of the sari is $9,000. These are premium quality tasar and they are very, very authentic, and silk mark certified is also given in these saris. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 5, 9,800. This is a Bhagalpuri silk. Just have a look. This is the pallu. All new stock. And this is the sari. So beautiful. Just look at the combination. These saris do not grow old. Very beautiful sari. I'm just opening to show you the length of the sari, and this is the blouse piece. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 6, 9,800. What a lovely sari. And the colors, they are so beautiful. Very unusual colors. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please hurry up and subscribe it and share it amongst your friends and your loved ones. And this is the blouse piece in golden stripe. This is the look of the sari. This is a beautiful sari. Wear gold jewelry with it. Heavy gold jewelry. That will look very nice. Sari number 7, 9,400. 9,400 you will get this sari. So beautiful sari. যারা বিয়ের কেনাকাটা করছো তারা এই শাড়িটা দেখতেই পারো, এই যত শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি সব দেখতে পারো, নমস্কারী দেওয়ার জন্য আর গিফট দেওয়ার জন্য। This is the pallu. Just see the combination. And this is tomato red. And just look at the sari. Just see the border. And see the sari. These are all hand woven saris. Please try to wear hand woven saris. And please encourage these weavers. And the blouse piece in contrast. My God, such a beautiful sari in contrast. It's really very beautiful. For the bride, this type of sari is very nice. ভাত কাপড়ের জন্য এই শাড়িটা কিন্তু খুব সুন্দর, ফটো খুব ভালো আসবে। Just have a look. This is the look of the sari. It's very beautiful. The sari is very beautiful, and wearing with that blouse that has been given in this sari, that is best. Sari number 8, 9,500. Wow, what a lovely color. Just look at the pallu. The motifs of Chhattisgarh. Just see, when you go to the villages of Chhattisgarh, you will find them in their houses. This type of motifs they have painted in their house. This is the look of the pallu. And this is the sari. These motifs are all hand woven. They are all hand woven. You see how they have woven these saris. It's very beautiful sari, very beautiful color, turquoise blue. It's very beautiful. And this is the blouse piece in running. The blouse piece is in running. These are all in tassar. Tassar, pure tassar has become little expensive nowadays. This is the look of the sari. Just see the sari, so beautiful. Sari number 9, 9,800. Another Chhattisgarh sari. Just see the pallu. And see the body. So beautiful. The border also. Color combination is very nice. Very stylish. You can wear this anywhere, and you dress up accordingly. If you're going to marriage house or you're attending a marriage, wear a flower on your head. Or if you're going for a corporate party, dress up accordingly. This is the blouse piece in contrast, so beautiful. I can just imagine how it will look when you wear this type of sarees. This is the look of the saree. Saree number 10, 10,300 in off-white. Not, I would say off-white, this is in beige color. ये साड़ी देखिए कितना बढ़िया साड़ी है ये. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just see, so beautiful. The quality is so beautiful. And this is the blouse piece. These are all premium quality tassar. If you want to do some embroidery in your blouses for you to make the blouse look more attractive, that also can be done. This is the look of the sari. You can also wear beads, you can wear gold with it, anything. Sari number 11, 10,800. Such lovely color. Just see the color of the sari. These colors are, you will hardly get to see in any shop. Such beautiful colors. We always see red, yellow, green, but these color, English colors are really very stylish. This is the pallu. कलर्स में दिखा रही हूँ, बहुत हट के कलर्स दिखाती हूँ मैं. जैसे आपका साड़ी आपका ही हो, कोई और ऐसा डुप्लीकेट पहन के आपके सामने आ नहीं सकते. जस्ट हैव अ लुक, सो ब्यूटिफुल. सब साड़ी 5.5 मीटर का लेंथ है और ब्लाउज पीस 80 सेंटीमीटर का है. जस्ट हैव अ लुक. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से आके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ और अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ, सबके साथ ये शेयर कीजिए. 10,800. Lovely sari, lovely. Sari number 12, 10,300. Just look at this color. Just see. This is the Rath festival of Odisha. Just see this. So beautiful. Hand woven sari. The Puri Ratha festival has been done in this pallu. The pallu itself is so beautiful, and this is the body. Chhattisgarh Tasar. Just see, simple saris, but you look so beautiful in these saris. It's not that always you have to wear a Banarasi or heavy embroidered saris, but these are always very much in fashion. This is the blouse piece. This is the look of the sari. All these saris are all premium quality. Just see, look at this sari. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. Sari number 13, 9,400. Last year I had shown these saris, but I couldn't give to many of them. So again this saris has come. If you want them, you can book it. Hurry up and book it. It's so beautiful. Just look at this sari. So beautiful. Wear a big mop chain and big kanbala with it. It looks so beautiful. Put flowers on your hair, and what else can I tell? A big ring in your finger. It's very beautiful. The color is so beautiful. I just can't think about anything else. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. All over weaving, but the sari is so very light. This is the speciality of the Chhattisgarh sari. All weaving, all over weaving, but the sari is so light. All the states, there is tasar, there is silk, and the weaving and processing of the sari is all different. They are all different from each other. That is why they have got their own uniqueness. Sari number 14, 9,800. Just see the color. Chiku color. So beautiful. Just see the sari. So beautiful. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. Just have a look. So beautiful. Just see. Full sari is woven. And this is the blouse piece. It's so beautiful sari. Wear 2 lahari or 3 lahari haar, the haars that you can have in gold. Wear big kan pasha, and you can also wear a big ring on your finger, and wear a big bindi. This is the look of the sari. Sari number 15, 10,500. Just see the sari. This is the pallu. And this is the sari. It's very, very beautiful. These are hatke saris. And this is the blouse piece. This is the look of the sari. This is a beautiful tasar sari. Zari woven tasar sari in Chhattisgarh. And sari number 16 is the sari that I'm wearing. I had already described this sari in the beginning. Bhagalpuri tasar with zari woven. The price is 5,500. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please hurry up and subscribe it and share it and give a like to it. Thank you. Have a good day.